Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now these two Hot Wheels cars I had recently purchased from the vending machine, and I'm going to show them to you, but I'm not going to take them out from the box because the artwork is very nice and I don't want to destroy it. So is the car. Now first, this Honda Civic SI. This is not a new casting. I think I have the one in red color from long time ago. So unless I buy another one, I am going to leave this in the blister. Two-door Honda Civic Coupe. The good thing is the rear lights, front lights are there. So is the front black part here. So Hot Wheels have done everything for us. No need for me to paint any headlights. That is good. The rear spoiler appears to be part of the metal casting, so it's good. Honda Civic. Now this is a Raijin Express. If you do not know, it may look like a fantasy casting, but this type of truck is popular in Japan. They decorate their truck with chrome and lights and neons and painting, and there you go. You have Mount Fuji with sakura flowers, and the whole truck is chrome. With pink window. They can do so many colors with this truck. So I hope you like this short review. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.